How to enable voice chat in Roblox. So the easiest way to enable voice chat in your Roblox is you should go to roblox.com/home and log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, you need to just simply go with the top right corner, which has that gear shaped icon. You need to click on it, and then you will have a settings option. Click on settings. Now, once you click on settings here, you will have a voice chat option. First, you need to check whether the voice chat option is available or not. To check this, you need to go with the privacy and content restrictions option. Then go to the communication section, and in this tab, you'll find the controls. You can choose who you want to talk to, like everyone or just friends or no one. And if you don't see the voice chat option here, then it's important to understand what steps you need to take. So you need to go with the account info. If you don't find the voice chat option right here, go with the account info session. And if you want to enable the voice chat option, first, if your age is under 13, you won't get the voice chat option. Second, if your phone number is verified, then you might get the voice chat option. But if your phone number can't be verified or your country isn't supported, then you'll need to verify your age using a government issued ID. Go with continue with camera or continue with ID and make sure that you verified your account. And once you verified your account, you'll have the voice chat option enabled on your Roblox. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.